You murder somebody. Where do you hide the dead body? On page 2 of Google. Hi, I'm Nancy Burgess. I'm the owner of Nancy Burgess Strategic Marketing, and I'm part of Career Communicators. And I'd like to share my RFP. I'd like to share with the spring conference business owners, entrepreneurs, web developers, communicators, marketers. I would like to share 8 reasons why search engine optimization is so important to get your website found, to get yourself found on the internet. And I'll share some of the Google's best practices for that as well. Some of the reasons that business owners and others may want to consider having a site that's well optimized for search is that 93% of search engine traffic is controlled by Google. 93%. In addition, there are 40,000 search queries every second, and Google wants to match that user intent with the search query. And if you can be that answer, if you can be that number 1 answer, that number 2 answer, that answer on the first page, you can really get some traffic, garner some traffic for your website, and also that could lead to more revenue and more business for you. Additionally, one of the 8 reasons I would share is how Google's best practices make a site really user-friendly. I would talk about mobile responsive sites and secure sites. That means having an HTTPS site with a secure socket layer. Doesn't matter that it's a fancy term. It's the sites that say HTTPS as opposed to HTTP. And it's important. Google looks for those things. And of course, as a consumer, we all want to go to a secure site. We all want to go to a mobile responsive site. No one wants to sit there and try to jigger their screen on their mobile device to find out what this website is trying to say. We need to make the user experience very easy. So I would talk about some of those tips that people could apply right away, and I would talk about why search engine optimization is so important. I'm Nancy Burgess. I'm Nancy Burgess Strategic Marketing and Career Communicators, and I'd like to speak at the spring conference. Thank you.